If you're like me, you've seen ads for Menlo Club all over social media. And you thought, man, is this really worth the price of a membership for clothes? Well, we got some pieces to try out, so let's dive into our full Menlo Club review. First of all, what is Menlo Club? Well, you simply take a quick online quiz that talks about what kind of style you are, pay $60 a month. There's all sorts of special promo codes. We'll put a link to the best one that we've got in this video. And then you get a package of clothes every single month. And if you're ever curious about not just what I got in this package, they have a great YouTube channel with some really entertaining videos from the founder where you can see exactly what's coming up in the month ahead. I was able to try out a random smattering of their current styles. I got this great pair of white canvas shoes, a pair of black jeans, a dark gray shirt, a striped shirt, and a hoodie. So I tried them all on. Let's dive right into what I thought about all of them. First of all, the New Republic shoes. These shoes are a simple, nice pair of white canvas shoes. I actually had my eyes on the pair of Everlane shoes that just came out that look really similar. But I got these, and best of all, the price. The Forever sneaker from Everlane is $58, and 1 month of Menlo Club is $60, so that's a great deal. I also really like this cork in the sole of it. I thought that was a nice little touch. But otherwise, these are just nice, simple looking canvas white shoes. I don't know if you can wash them or not, but if they get dirty, I bet you can. Okay, next up, I got this dark gray shirt and these pair of black jeans. Now, no one's going to mistake these jeans for doer jeans or some really highly technical jeans. They do have a little bit of spandex in them, a little bit of stretch, which is good. And they're just basic black jeans. Now, they're a little bit long. I do have some rather short legs, so I'm almost always have to hem my pants anyway, so that's why these are rolled up. And the shirt was okay. I didn't love it. A little boxy for my style, but I didn't hate it either. It's an overall nice looking outfit. They go really well together. Okay, the next thing I tried was this light blue striped shirt. It's got some rib cuffs, some nice little details on the front and on the back. But this shirt is really, really soft. It's something I would buy without being part of Menlo Club. I really liked it. Super soft, it goes well with a lot of different things. One of my favorite items that I got. Okay, another item that I got that I also really liked was this black hoodie. It's got some nice touches, some nice shiny hardware on the straps in the front of the hoodie. Super, super soft. It's actually a fairly decent weight. I really, really like this hoodie too. Now, this is a little bit more than what you'd get in a normal box. They just sent me some different clothes to try out, but I actually liked these a lot more than I thought I would. And if you're the kind of guy that just needs some staples to keep you through the seasons, maybe you're a little bit light on clothes, I'd highly, highly recommend the Menlo Club. Not everything is going to be a winner that you get, and they'll be the first to say that, maybe not straight to you. You can't return the clothes if you don't like them. You can return them for sizes, which is nice. But you're getting a lot of great clothes. You're going to have some hits. You're going to have some misses. But overall, I actually liked the hoodie. I liked the blue shirt. And I really like the shoes. The shirt and the jeans, I didn't hate them, but as part of a package, I'd have no problem getting jeans and a couple of shirts for $60 if I really needed to add to my wardrobe for whatever reason. What Menlo Club is not for is a guy that's incredibly picky about every single piece of clothing. I'm pretty picky about the clothes that I wear, but I would consider at least trying out Menlo Club for a couple of months and seeing what I get. For the price, for $60, you really can't go wrong. A couple other things you may want to know is be sure to read the labels. A couple of the ones that I tried out were actually ones that said to wash separately. Just be careful about that. Be careful about making sure it doesn't rub off on something that is white. Just be careful. The brands that are a part of Menlo Club are exclusive to Menlo Club. Just something to keep in mind. You're not going to be getting, Nike or Prada or anything else here, but I don't think you're expecting that. You can also go and once again check out their YouTube page. It's got a lot of videos of previous packages they've had and gives you a little bit of a feel for what's coming up and gives you a little feel from their co-founder. But overall, for the right person, Menlo Club is a great deal. Once again, if you're expecting to get mizzen and main shirts out of Menlo Club, you're not going to, but they have great, good quality products. So check them out. I'll put the link to the best promo code that we've got down below. Try it out and let us know if you have any questions or comments. If you do, leave them below and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and we hope to see you again real soon.